Hi, I'm Kelsey Deenihan, Avon celebrity makeup artist, and I'm here with the gorgeous
Benita.
Awesome.
So Kelsey, I've been hearing a lot about highlighting and contouring and wondering if it is for everyone.
You know, it's a personal preference. If you want to get a really sculpted look and you want to experiment and play with makeup, it's a great tool. You know, we're going to slim your face, we're going to tighten it, we're going to give it that lift. And before we do that, I'm going to show you this amazing before and after to really show you the power of highlighting and contouring. To begin your contour, I'm gonna use the Avon True Color contouring stick. This is the shade Deep, and it's got your highlight and your contour. So I'm gonna begin on the cheek and go from the top of the ear toward the corner of her mouth to really sink in the cheek. So I'm just gonna draw, and once that's on, I'm gonna blend pretty quickly. The great thing about this is it does dry, so it's not gonna move all day long, but you do wanna blend it quickly so that it's right where you want it. So with the brush, I'm just kind of going in like a little bit of a U motion just under the cheekbone between the ear and the corner of the mouth. And I'm just gonna kind of lift the brush up because we want everything to go up. We want to lift the face. Next, I'm gonna take the dark side of the contour stick and go just under the jawline to really give this a sharp angle. We don't want harsh lines, we just want to have the illusion of the darkness. And with the nose, I like to go from the tip of the brow straight down to kind of give a slimming effect. Next, I'm gonna do a little on the forehead. I like to just draw little X's. A lot of people do lines. You can do whatever kind of little thing you want. Just have the placement be right on the temple, and it's gonna really just kind of pull the forehead in a little bit. After the contour, I'm going to do the highlight on the face. So we're gonna put light above the dark. So on her high cheekbone, above the jawline, the center of the nose, and then again, just blend it. Now to really give a lift on the corner of your eye, I'm gonna bring a highlight up. You see how everyone's natural lips kind of go down at the end? If you cheat it and just kind of bring this up a little bit, it's gonna give the illusion of a lift. And again, always brush strokes up. So now that we've done half of the face with the Avon True Color Highlighting Contouring Stick, I want you to take a peek at this face chart to show you the exact placement that we did to really give that slimming lift. To finish the highlighting and contouring, I'm going to add a little of the shimmering highlight. This one is Topaz, and I'm just gonna kind of brush this over your existing highlight, just really like lightly, everywhere we highlighted. So down the bridge of the nose, the high cheekbones, a little under the brow. That's just gonna give a little extra glow to really pick up the light and really emphasize that highlight. It's really important if you wanna lift the face to have the correct placement of your blush to really give that lift. So what I'm gonna do is show you with the blush to keep it really high. You don't wanna put it too close on the apple. That's gonna keep the face pretty round. You don't wanna put it too far back. You wanna just kinda have it right here. And I just like to pat it on. I like to kind of push everything into the skin. Now we've finished the entire face, and I'm gonna put that face chart back up so you can take a look again at the proper placement to get this really lifted look, and take a screenshot, memorize it, go have fun, and go be your best you.